Discovering Insert Wine Here. We love making new discoveries about wines, so we thought we would share some of that with you. We will be rolling out a new subscription series called Discovering Insert Wine Here. Each month, we will choose a wine to discuss and pair and do a live Zoom with our subscribers. Now, when I say wine, we will keep this simple. This might be a region, or a wine style, but it will be something that you can find locally or order. Here's how it will work. We will send you a list of suggested wines and where you might find them. You will also get a recipe card for pairing with the wine, and a card with suggestions for a cheese, charcuterie, etc. board to fix to munch on during our Zoom. During our Zoom, you will learn about the wine, the style, and the region. Then we will taste, pair, and share our thoughts. I'll finish with the recipe to show you how simple making the dish can be. If you can't join us live, we will share the recording so you can watch it later. As we are fine-tuning the subscription details for the next couple months, we invite you to join us for free. If you're interested in joining us, email me at robin@42aspens.com and I'll send you the details.